Hey guys, so I wanted to show you a little Amazon purchase that I made. So does anybody else like these little Pyrex clear glass bowls? They're just really handy. This is the 2-cup size, but the bad part is they're dumb lids. These lids, every one of them I've ever bought is cracked. And I had said, no more, I am not buying these bowls anymore. They're handy, but they're only handy because they have a nice lid. Well, a friend told me they sell replacement lids. I mean, not Pyrex. Amazon has several different companies that sell these little replacement lids. They are a silicone, they're food grade, dishwasher safe. I don't have a dishwasher, so I haven't tested that. But they perfectly fit these bowls. Mine are 2-cup size. They also have, they have 2-cup, 4-cup, and 7-cup, I think. You'll have to check the listing to be sure. But they are a little bit softer than the original. You know, these are a little bit more rigid, which is probably why they crack. So these are a little bit softer. The ones that I bought, but they fit right down. I would say that it's airtight. I wouldn't trust it to be totally leak-proof or anything like that, but just as much as these are. So these are called Silicone. This is the box that it comes in. I will put a link to these below. I chose it simply because the colors were kind of nice. These were the colors that I chose. They come in all different colors. There's different brands. I'm guessing they're all probably similar. Check the reviews. These are the ones that I bought. Then they also, this is a bigger, this is actually an Anchor. And the original, it's the same dumb thing. The lids crack. So, in fact, the Anchor and the Pyrex, I bet you they come from the same factory. Dumb lids. I like these lids. So check these out. Silicone lids. I've had them for a few weeks. I haven't noticed any staining on them, but I haven't really done I can't think of anything I've stored that would cause staining. So I have had absolutely no issues with them. I would buy them again in a flash. Silicone lids for the Pyrex. Nice bowls. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later.